Sitting out here enjoying the scenery, taking it all in. Sometimes you just need to get away to gather your thoughts and things of that sort, and just be appreciative of nature, because you got to be grateful that God allows you to get up this morning, to breathe, to walk, to talk, to see, to hear, to love, to share. So just be grateful for all of that, you know? Sometimes things happen for a reason and you just don't know why. So I appreciate everything. Sometimes you just need time to yourself. You don't have to be around. Sometimes you just want time to yourself where you ain't around a whole bunch of people. You know, you just need time to yourself to gather your thoughts, you know? So, yeah, I'm just taking this all in. It's so beautiful. It's cold. It's cold out here. You see, I got my sweater on, I got my boots on, because it's a tad bit chilly, but I don't care. And the sun is on me. Ugh. I just like sitting out here. And I also want to get on here, and I appreciate, I have 80 subscribers. So I really appreciate each and every person that subscribed. Because y'all are my true subscribers, you know. So I'm glad to have the subscribers that I have. I am in no rush, because I know the ones that come to my channels are the ones for me. And I'm appreciative and happy that YouTube gave me this, how do they say it? YouTube gave me this, I forgot. YouTube gave me this outlet on the YouTube channel to be able to create and make your videos on what you do in your life in general. You know, they give you that opportunity. So I appreciate that. I really do. You know, it ain't everything you do. Everything you do and whatever you go through is a reason behind it. You just don't know why. So I'm just appreciative just to be able to be here. And I'm so grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for all my family, my people that's around me. I'm so grateful. So grateful. I'm grateful for my life. So I got to get my hair done. I'm working on it. It's growing. I see it. I see them locks trying to grow. It needs some air and some sunshine. And I got my gray. I can't, when my gray start popping, I am not dyeing this hair. I want the gray to pop through. I really do. You know, pop it with this pretty skin. I think once I leave here, I'm gonna go to the store because I need to pick up a olive so I could place it on my face, because I put an olive. I'm gonna show you when I go to the store. I put an olive on my face. So yeah, but y'all check out the scenery. It's so nice. Look, I'm stretched out. It's so beautiful. I know somebody appreciate this beauty, this outside. Who don't like being outdoors? You gotta be outdoors. You know, that being outdoors and just getting outside, getting some fresh air, you could think, and then it also, it don't put you in, you need to be out. Make you feel good, you could think. And it's good to be by yourself. You don't always have to be around people, you know? And for those that know, for those that don't, know. Because like I said in my other videos, it don't bother me to be by myself. It really don't. And you know, and then through time, God shows you the real peoples that's in your life. The real people. So you end up separating the ones that's not, and keeping the ones that you know that's genuinely there. That genuinely will be there for you. So, so this is a good day, a beautiful day in the neighborhood. You were trying to figure it out? No, I'm up here vlogging, doing a daily vlog. She thought I was she didn't know if I was real or fake. You see her walking back there? She said, I hope they ain't pulling no prank. No, I ain't no prank. I'm a real thing. I'm just sitting out here enjoying this weather. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. We are at, let me see, oh good, we got 7. So I'm finna get off of here and we getting ready to go to the store, okay? This is an aloe vera